Hello everyone, my name is Puji Astuti, student number 4121811041, Department of Business Management, Study Program of Business Administration. Today, I'm going to explain you how to describe about table. A table is a data structure that organizes information into rows and columns. It can be used to both store and display data in a structured format. Tables are used to organize data that is too detailed or complicated to be described adequately in the text, allowing the reader to quickly see the result. They can be used to highlight trends or patterns in the data and to make a manuscript more readable by removing numeric data from the text. Tables can also be used to synthesize existing literature, explain variables, or present the wording of survey questions. Although they should be complete, tables must not be too complicated. If necessary, a large table can be broken up into several smaller ones. One should avoid including identical information in a table and a graph. Similarly, don't repeat the information from a table in the text. The advantage of using a table or graph to report data is that a large quantity of information can be presented completely and accurately in a table or graph. Tables or graph should be constructed in such a way that the reader can easily understand the information. Remember, it is the responsibility of the author of a paper to present data in such a way that it easily conveys information to the reader. To help you do this, here are some conventions to follow in construction tables in a research paper. Tables should be numbered, so the author can refer to the table number in the text of the paper. For example, table 1 shows that blah 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 blah. Tables should have a title that clearly and briefly describes the contents of the table. The rows and columns of the table should be clearly labeled, so the reader doesn't have to guess what the numbers in the table are or what they mean. The numbers in the cells of a table should be clearly identified as percentage, dollars, or other types of number, so the reader doesn't have to guess what the numbers in the cells of the table mean. You can accomplish this by using the appropriate symbol. Example, dollars, percents in the first row of the table. Drop-down lists in the heading cells make it easy to sort and filter the data. The table range expands and shrinks automatically when you add or remove rows of data. Bulletin style make it easy to format the table's appearance or change to a different look. Formulas and formatting fill down automatically. Formulas use structure reference to table cells, showing the column name. This makes them easy to understand. Show or hide the tables within total row, where formulas show a sum, average, count, or other summary amounts. An Excel table makes an excellent source for a pivot table. You won't have to readjust the range if data is added or removed. Before you create the formatted Excel table, follow these guidelines for organizing your data. The data should be organized in rows and columns, with each row containing information about one record, such as a sales order or inventory transaction. In the first row of the list, each column should contain a short, descriptive, and unique heading. Each column in the list should contain one type of data, such as dates, currency, or text. Each row in the list should contain the details for one record, such as a sales order. If possible, include a unique identifier for each row, such as an order number. The list should have no blank rows within it, and no completely blank columns. The list should be separated from any other data on the worksheet, with at least one blank row and one blank column between the list and the other data. After your data is organized, as described above, you are ready to create the formatted table. Select a cell in the list of data that you prepared. On the ribbon, click the Insert tab. In the Tables group, click the Table command. In the Create Table dialog box, the range for your data should automatically appear, and the My Table has headers option is checked. If necessary, you can adjust the range and checkbox. Click OK to accept these settings. If you want to apply a specific table style when creating an Excel table, select a cell in the list of data that you prepare. On the ribbon, click the Home tab. In the Style group, click Format as Table. Click on the style that you want to use, or to apply a style and remove any existing formatting, right-click on a style and click Apply and Clear Formatting. In the Create Table dialog box, the range for your data should automatically appear, and the My Table has header option is checked. If necessary, you can adjust the range and checkbox. Click OK to accept these things. Let's see an example from table. We take the table from the BPS data entitled Riau Islands Province Housing Statistics. The data contains the percentage of households according to the widest floor type and regional types, 2010. According to the table, we can see that most households in Riau Islands Province use type the widest floor tiles are ceramic or marble or granite is 41.14% and cement or red brick is 39.82%. It is, however, the widest type of floor that most houses use. There are differences in the stairs according to the type of area. In urban areas, types of ceramic or marble or granite floors are more widely used is 47.41%, while in rural areas the type of wood flooring or boards is part of the choice. The size of the household is 53.94%. In the Riau Island province, there are still a small number of households who occupy residential buildings with dirt floors is 0.57%. Half the dirt floor is almost equal in existence, namely in the regions urban is 0.55% and in rural areas is 0.62%. Thank you for watching.